Rising, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Thank you very much for helping me get this channel getting established and going. I really appreciate you guys for helping me out and bringing you top quality information that you can use to help build your credit, rebuild your credit, to gain more credit. And I want to bring you today another card that you can use for many of you with challenge or just starting you out rebuilding your credit. This is an easy approval card, and this is first access card. And you can just Google first access card. It'll come up. It's easy approval. You can see here, get a full feature Visa credit card accepted nationwide. The first access card is a true Visa credit card that does not require perfect credit for approval. Complete our easy online application now and get a response in as little as 60 seconds. Now, with this first access card, now the fees are pretty high with this card, but what we're doing pretty much is just basically continuing to establish credit with your new rebuilt credit or your new CPN. So this card will help you establish a better accounts on your credit, get more accounts, and continue to lift your limits as you go along. As long as you use these cards, a minimum balance, $10, $20 per month, pay them. Do that for 3, 4 months, and it'll help you out greatly, for real. You'll see your scores start increasing. You'll start receiving offers in the mail, different things like that, trying to offer you more access to credit. Let's see what the rates and fees are, costs and limitations. As you see here, rates, fees, and costs and limitations. The rate on this card, like I said, is 35%. So I advise you to only use this for minimum balances because they're only going to give you a small credit limit, $300. And I think there's a fee that they charge when you start this card. And here we go, there is a program fee. So as we see, set of fees, setup and maintenance fees. Notice the annual fee will be assessed before you begin using your card and reduce the amount of credit you initially have available. Based on your initial credit limit of $300, your initial available credit will only be $225 and only $196 if you choose to have an additional card. So the program fee to get this card is $95. It's a one-time fee. Then there's an annual fee, $75 for the first year. After that, $48 annually. Then there's a service fee for the first year, introductory. None for the first year, excuse me. After that, $75 annually. So transaction fees, cash advance fees, none for the first year. After that, either $10 or 3% of the amount of which each cash advance, whichever is greater. Late payment fee up to $40. Return payment fee up to $40. So as you can see, the fees on this particular card are very high. But like I said, this card is just for rebuilding credit, reestablishing credit, and this will be an unsecured credit card on your credit report. So that's a good thing. I would pay the $75 balance and pretty much let this card sit with the full $300 balance. I may use it for $10 here and there and pay it off in full, $20 pay it off in full. So that'll always show a high balance, low balance, and my utilization will be very low. So that's what you can do. That's a simple way to do it. And once again, I said this is an easy card to get. As long as you pay that $95 fee, it's more than likely they're going to approve you for this card, as long as you don't have any derogatories on your file. You may have one with this card because they do work with challenge credit, but I would still try to have it with empty credit and just rebuild it from that aspect instead of trying to rebuild on bad credit. Just clean your credit, start a CPN or get your credit clean. I have access to all of those things. So just give me a holler. Could you please like, subscribe, and share this video? It'd be greatly appreciated. If you want to donate, the ebooks, all those things will be down in the description. Like again, once I said, first access card, great card for you to get for just starting your CPN after you got you a secure card and you got the and all those things, your installment loan. Get this card here. So that's it. I ain't gonna take you guys uh, any more what I got to say. So it's a good card to get, and I thank you all. Quick short video, little easy card to get. Thank you very much. Peace to the gods.